Maat 805. Maat 805. Hey, stop. If you are ever of the mindset that you can be able to get anything from the universe by closing your eyes, today is that very day for you to begin to change that very mindset. Kneeling down like a dog. Today is that very day for you to begin to change that very mindset. We don't put you behind the wheels, expecting you to drive forward, and your attitude is to continue to close your eyes. Today is the very day for you to begin to open your inner eyes. It is not a virtue to live like a dog or like a beast. Hey, we put you behind that very wheel, expecting you to drive forward, to continue to go forward with the sun. And your posture and your attitude is to drag backwards, hoping that you reach progress. It's not going to happen. This is a mindset that was brought in by the destroyer. Its mission was very, very clear. Its plot was very, very clear. To endanger you with poverty. To make your life miserable with poverty. To torment you with poverty. But today our firm command raised is to say stop to it. We don't lead you in illusions. We don't tell you. We don't promise you otherwise what our own ancestors did not promise you. We will do the work. Before you expect to harvest, you have to plant the seeds. Before you expect to walk and not fail, you have to share the light. Before you expect to buy and sell, you have to be groomed and you have to use the courageously stand to use the key. If you have been following our work, we have shown you where it was hidden. We have shown you where it was hidden. But today, hey, so many things. You have to bid goodbye. And that is the mindset to live in self-denial. Stop lying to yourself. We all need money like seeds in our hands in order to be able to carry out the project that we desire, to help that charity, to take care of ourselves, our family, our household, our own people, being firm. You know what that very project is in your heart. You know what you have been asking the universe to provide money for. And right now, you have the opportunity to do it. The LTBLIGHT Premier member that sent you this very message, position this very message to you, which is coming to you, knows that we are going to deliver. First of all, this LTBLIGHT Premier member, COACHEMEN. ETA knows that before you can be able to stand successful, before you can be able to shine like a star, you have to start right now with the right product, seasoned product, carefully prepared product, with the right engine, with the right platform. And today it is right now in your hands. But you have to do the right thing. Follow successful people and you too become successful. This is a combat against no man or any woman, against no land or any nation. This is a battle against poverty. Poverty of seeds, poverty of spirit, poverty against our own people. A people once rich, once blessed. But today we are saying no to it. Download the LTBLIGHT well-being plan. For any of our levels that you choose, level 1, level 2, level 3, you're going to see. You're going to attain wellness. Antidote against the destroyer. You're going to attain wellness. And at the same time, you're going to begin to build wealth. Start now. Don't delay. I'm going to leave it at that. It's a short video. Straight to the point. This is not a fly by day, gone by night movement. This is a passion-driven movement. You must have a burning desire to serve the living God, which is humanity, to the best of your ability, with honor, with dedication, with discipline, in order for you to be able to make it right here. You are at the right place. If this is your desire, if this is your prayers, it has been answered finally. 805 Maat Jig, done in brother light. Maat empowering our own people with truth. It has been done, it has been delivered, and do be well. Okay, download your own ATBLIGHT wealth building plan right now. Okay, don't wait, don't delay. At the end of this very video, like it and share it with your own people, with your own friends, with your own sphere of influence, with your own family, with your own household. It's fun, it's joy, a bundle of joy. Okay, it's affluence written in the name of your God. Allow affluence to return back into your life, and it shall be well with all of us, and do be well. Coach Emen signing off. Don't forget, it's a 1001 day journey. We'll be here tomorrow doing it. Okay, be here with us. Like and promote this very message. Okay, thank you. Go right now and begin to ask for God. Thank you.